Are you looking for the best benchtop jointers? In this video we will look at some of the best benchtop jointers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Grizzly Industrial G0959. The Grizzly Industrial G0959 is a woodworking machine designed to provide precision and efficiency in planing tasks. It features a powerful motor with a rating of 1-1/2 horsepower, operating at 120 volts in a single-phase configuration with a 15 amp current requirement. This robust motor ensures that the machine can handle a range of planing tasks effectively. One of the key features of the Grizzly G0959 is its capacity for planing various dimensions of wood. With a maximum cut width of 12 inches, it is capable of handling relatively wide workpieces. The maximum cut depth is 1/16 of an inch, allowing for precise material removal in each pass. For workpieces as short as 6 inches in length, the machine can still provide consistent planing results. It can also handle wood pieces with a minimum thickness of 1/4 inch, ensuring versatility in its application. The machine's cutter head speed is an impressive 8,500 revolutions per minute, RPM, indicating its ability to perform efficient cutting and material removal. With a high cutting speed, it can quickly smooth out rough surfaces and shape wooden pieces according to the desired specifications. The rate of 17,000 cuts per minute further highlights the efficiency and rapid material removal capabilities of the Grizzly G0959. Number 2. Wahuda Tools Jointer. The Wahuda Tools Jointer offers a comprehensive solution for woodworkers seeking precision and efficiency in creating flat surfaces and edges. Designed to eliminate the issue of cupped wood, these jointers ensure that woodworkers can achieve perfectly flat and smooth results with ease. Whether working with tough or figured woods, Wahuda jointers promise smoother and more accurate cuts. A standout feature of the Wahuda jointers is their cutting-edge sharpness, facilitated by a spiral cutter head equipped with four-sided carbide inserts. This innovative design not only enhances cutting precision but also reduces noise during operation. Additionally, the use of standard blade sizes makes replacement straightforward and cost-effective, ensuring that the tools maintain their peak performance over time. Powered by a 120V motor running at a steady 12,000 RPM, Wahuda jointers demonstrate consistent and capable performance across various woodworking tasks. Whether it's edging, jointing, flattening, or tapering, these tools handle each task effectively, regardless of the wood's surface characteristics. Number 3. Wen JT630H. The Wen JT630H is a high-quality woodworking tool that offers precise and efficient material removal for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. This planer boasts a spiral cutter head system equipped with 12 staggered high-speed steel (HSS) blades, designed to provide an exceptionally smooth finish on wood surfaces. This unique configuration of blades allows for a consistent and fine finish, enhancing the overall quality of woodworking projects. One of the standout features of the Wen JT630H is its spacious table, measuring 30 inches by 6 inches. This ample workspace provides users with the capacity to handle a variety of wood sizes and projects, accommodating both small-scale and larger pieces. The table's size contributes to the planer's versatility, making it suitable for various woodworking applications. The planer's material removal capabilities are noteworthy as well. With the ability to remove between 0 to 1/8 of an inch of material in each pass, the Wen JT630H ensures efficient stock reduction while maintaining precision and accuracy. This feature is especially beneficial for projects requiring precise thickness control and uniformity in wood surfaces. Number 4. ShopFox W18766 Benchtop Jointer. The ShopFox W18766 Benchtop Jointer is a versatile woodworking tool designed to help users achieve smooth and accurate edges on their lumber pieces. This compact jointer is suitable for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and small-scale woodworking projects. Its key specifications and features contribute to its effectiveness in producing precise and clean cuts. The jointer is equipped with a powerful 1-1/2 HP motor that operates on a standard 120V power supply. The single-phase motor draws 10 amps of current, providing sufficient power for various cutting tasks. The jointer offers a maximum cutting width of 6 inches. This capability allows users to work with moderately sized lumber pieces for tasks like edge jointing and flattening. With a maximum depth of cut of 1/8 inch, the jointer can effectively remove material to create flat and uniform surfaces on the wood. The Shop Fox W1876 features a spiral-style cutter head with 12 inserts. This design enhances the quality of cuts by reducing tear-out and producing a smoother finish on the wood surface. The inserts are typically easier to replace or rotate than traditional straight blades. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN Benchtop Jointer. The CRAFTSMAN Benchtop Jointer is a versatile woodworking tool designed to provide precision and efficiency in jointing and flattening wood surfaces. With a focus on functionality and user-friendly features, this benchtop jointer is a valuable addition to any woodworking workshop. Notable features of this jointer include: the CRAFTSMAN Benchtop Jointer is equipped with a variable speed mechanism that allows users to adjust the cutting speed according to the type of wood and the desired finish. This feature enhances control and ensures optimal results across different woodworking projects. The center-mounted fence design ensures stability and accurate alignment of the workpiece during the jointing process. This contributes to the creation of smooth and precise edges, making it ideal for tasks that require consistent straightness. The jointer boasts an extra-large table measuring the 6th of March 2016 by 30, providing ample space for handling larger workpieces. This expansive surface area supports improved maneuverability and stability during jointing, accommodating a wide range of project sizes.